Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed to update the email address that receives messages from your Wix form, maybe a team member changed, or you just want submissions to go to a different inbox, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm walking you through the exact steps for changing the email in your Wix form notifications, so you can rest assured every new form submission goes exactly where you want. By the end, you'll see just how simple it is to keep your site communication streamlined and up to date. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll need to locate your Wix form. Head over to your Wix dashboard and find the form you've set up. If you have a few different forms, for example, one for contact inquiries and another for event signup, make sure you're working with the right one. This will make things smoother and avoid any mix-ups later. Once you're inside your form settings, look for the Settings section. Then, click on Manage. This is kind of like the command center for your form. You'll see all the options for customization and control here. Now, you'll want to click on Manage Forms. This brings up a list of all the forms on your site, so you can pick the specific one you want to update. If you have several forms, double-check that you're selecting the correct one. You don't want to accidentally change the notification for the wrong form. When you find the right form, look for the little three-dot icon, sometimes called the More menu. Click that, then select Form Notifications. Notifications are what tell Wix where to send emails every time someone fills out your form, so this section is key. Scroll down until you see the option for New Submission Received for Request Form, or whatever your form might be called. It depends on what you named your form, but it'll be something similar. Find Edit next to this notification and click it. This opens a panel where you can see all the details about how Wix notifies you for new submissions. In this panel, click on Send an Email. This is the function that routes form submissions to a specific inbox. On the left side, look for Sender Details. Here, you'll see an option to edit. Click that. This is the place where you can manually type in the new email you'd like to use. Maybe you need submissions to go to a new team member, a shared mailbox, or even a personal account. Just type the address in carefully. Double-check for typos, since a small mistake here can mean missed notifications. Once you're done, just hit Save, and that's it. The process is straightforward, but each stage helps ensure the right emails reach the right person. If you're someone who manages a team or regularly changes contact points, knowing how to update these notifications quickly can make your work much more efficient. If any part seems confusing or you land somewhere unexpected, don't worry. Wix's dashboard can be a bit different depending on your version or the apps you have installed. Just take your time and try retracing the steps. Most settings have helpful tooltips too, if you hover over them. Before you go, if this guide helped you, please hit like. Drop your questions in the comments if you need more help, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next video.